everybody. We're here at beautiful Road Atlanta with some sunrise in the back. And we're here for the historic race. My God, my hat's bent. Lando's been playing with it. But we're gonna do a quick paddock walk. This is gonna be the last day to practice shooting cars before Petit, so we're gonna make the most of it. All right, later. Holy shit. God. Right here, I'm in turn 3 with a beautiful sunrise, but there's no sun on the track. Let me eclipse it right here. There's no sun hitting the track. However, that GT, that Ford is so beautiful. But as you can see, watch, you're gonna hit right there. He gets hit by the sun. And this is the first time I've shot this way. And as you can see, right in that area is an interesting, it looks interesting. I don't think it will work as the sun gets higher. I don't think it's gonna work the same. But with this nice little amberish yellow type of sun, it looks pretty nice. So let's keep shooting. We're about to hit a very interesting milestone on my Road Atlanta traversal device. Another half mile and we will be in the triple daisies. That's pretty crazy considering how many events I've done. I'm gonna go back and count and then I'll give you guys the number and then I guess we can average per event. Supposed to be shooting cars, and I spent half the time taking photos of animals. I was just yapping. Let's do what I was actually trying to do before I got distracted by that bird. But let's see. We're gonna get it nice and low and see what this looks like. Ooh, hold up. Let me cook. I gotta get them at like a good angle. You guys are seeing this real time. So I'm manual focus right here. Oh, not there. Here. And then we'll make sure everything's good. And then we got this weird bokeh effect in the front. I want to get a decent car. Hang on. Where's the Riley? There's good enough. Alright, that's pretty clean. Oh shit, I'm in 320. God damn. Okay, that looks pretty neat. If I get one in focus. Where's the Riley? There's my buddy Guy. There's my friend. There's the DPI.
gonna sound old as fuck, but I'm not even gonna lie, this is killing my back. Down here in the paddock, I hit right at 100 miles. Let's go. Oh my God. I haven't moved past turn 10A, 10B, turn 1 right over here. Don't need to, man. I'm cooking. I'm having tons of fun over in this area. These are new shots that I haven't tried before. I'm excited to keep getting shots. Let's see what we get. A buffoon, but this is my favorite group because go NASCAR! But they're doing something crazy. Look. Wait. They're doing something crazy. Look. Oh my God, they're turning right! If you guys made it this far, I would really appreciate it if you guys dropped a subscribe. It's the best way to support me on my journey to becoming a professional photographer. If this video helps you in any way, shape, or form, whether it's the mindset of what I'm doing or just enjoying my vlog, it would mean the world if you subscribe. All right, later.